Alright, everyone meet my dad. Go on, introduce yourself.
I'm Graham. Is this my good song?
So go on, Dad, what are we doing today?
We're going to change the rotors.
The brakes, changing the brakes. And the suspension.
The discs and the pads. No, not the suspension, we haven't got time.
We're going to do the suspension as well.
No, we're
Come
not.
on. Yes, we are.
No, we're not going to do this.
Alright, so what? We got the car jacked up. Yeah. There we go. We had to use this to get that under there, but...
Yeah, just to raise it up enough to get the trolley jack under.
But I guess we got to take the wheels off.
Take the wheels off now. In oil.
What do you think of these brakes, Dad?
Knackered.
Yeah, they are pretty knackered. Yeah, again.
What's that?
Completely knackered.
To lift the caliper up, swivel it out of the way. If you were just changing the pads, you just need to undo this pin. But so we'll do that first.
There we go.
First.
Okay. Put a long bolt.
Yeah, just go through to there.
Real quickly, I just want to say, if you're new here, please consider subscribing. It is free and you can always unsubscribe anytime. And hey, look, I would really appreciate it. Also, feel free to leave a like, and we've got a Discord and Instagram, so add them up as well. Anyway, back to the video.
So, took the pin out. Now you can... come on. That's it.
Oh, there we go.
It lifts up.
Look at that.
Well, the springs have come off, so we'll take the springs off anyway. Now we can push this piston back into the caliper.
Okay, so we use a bit of wire just to hold that up.
Just hold the caliper up, and now we can push the caliper back into its housing with a clamp. There we go. Push the caliper back in. So now the pads are out.
So we took the pads out.
And now we need to release the caliper, which I believe... Hold on a minute. How did we do it before? Did we undo those two bolts?
Yeah, I think we've got to take them bolts out.
Those two have got to come off, haven't they? Yeah. Which is a 14mm. Pin was 15mm, 17mm, and the calipers are now 14mm.
Bit of elbow grease.
See if we can get the other one off.
Oh, it's just come off, right? That's it.
Caliper off.
Look at that.
And hanging up, no strain on the rubber hose.
Oh,
This comes off.
look at that. Look at these compared to that. It's night and day. What do you think, Dad?
Keep the grease off. Keep the grease off.
Really nice.
Yeah, it's the same. The hub's the same, is it?
Yeah, same size.
Is it the same?
Yeah, it's exactly the same. So just for a bit of context, we actually ordered the wrong size discs and brakes before. I should have measured this before ordering them, but I ordered the sport discs, which were and pads, which were just a lot bigger. And basically, if we were going to use them, we would have had to get new brackets and that kind of thing. It just would have been a lot more money and a lot more effort. So I just reordered standard ones. So that's why we care a lot about the size.
Well, before you put the new disc on, make sure this is clean and the back of the disc is clean, because if there's a bit of debris there, grit, whatever, you'll get brake wobble or brake judder. That's not sitting on there correctly.
Which isn't good.
Just make sure that's clean.
That's not good, a bit of wobble.
No.
So look, we got some chicken, right? We're working on our brakes. Look.
What?
I don't know. I've got a fork, right? Just a fork, right? Just look.
That's what I mean. You got soft hands.
Soft hands, honestly. That's what we've just been a bit of.
Copper slip. And on all the studs.
Should we put some copper grease on the discs as well, Dad? Or like that. It's perfect. So what, we're now putting this back on, and we've got to put the pads on as well, right?
There's two back in.
Right. So what?
What?
So we've got the caliper on.
Got the caliper back on at the back. So now we need to torque up those two caliper things.
We're using ChatGPT to see the torque specs. Give it some. There we go.
That's it. Now the other one.
That's already.
Just give it a couple more clicks.
There we go. We have the new pads right there. There we go. Look at that. That's quite a lot.
And these aren't that old. You must be heavy on the brakes.
If I speak, I am in big trouble.
They don't get them on before. They go up there, don't they? That's one on. Right.
Go on. And the other one goes on.
Yeah,
there we go.
Do it like that. That's that.
That's both pads in.
And then we put the springs back on. There's two little holes, isn't there? Where's the holes gone? There's one there. They help push the thing apart.
There we go. Everything's
Hopefully it
on.
fits.
It should fit. I think it'll fit.
Come off. That's it.
There we go.
That's
There
it.
we go. Okay, cool. Right, so pads on, calipers on, disc is on.
All torqued up, safe. We believe. Might as well put the wheel back on.
Look at you. Let's get this on. Oh. There we go. Throw the bolts.
Behind you. Behind you. They're behind you. No, they're not. Yes, they are.
Oh my
Go on.
Right, so we've done the front ones.
drive.
So we've done
Test drive.
both sides. Done both sides of the front ones. I guess we got to give it a week before we do the back ones.
Yeah, let them bed in. Let the front ones bed in before we do the back ones.
Now, unfortunately, I forgot to record the rear brakes, but hopefully you guys enjoyed this new style of video. I really enjoyed making this, and I've got loads more planned for the MX-5. We've got aero coming, we've got suspension, we've got loads of stuff, so please stick around for that. Like I said before, if you're new here or you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. I genuinely would really appreciate it. We're trying to hit 10,000 subscribers, and leave a like as well. And like I said, I've got the Discord linked down below, along with the Instagram, so feel free to join the Discord and follow the Instagram. Anyway, I will see you in the next one. Ciao for now.